Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about operator in basic programming language, and we will also discuss about if else, if or else if conditional statement. So first we discuss about operator. You have already used some operators like add, subtract, multiply, divide. In math classes you also use like these operators. You may have used a reminder operator, you may have not, but reminder operator uses for gives always you reminder. Suppose 5 divided by 5 divided by 3, then it should give you reminder 2. Reminder operator is used to find reminder. Suppose you are dividing 5 by 3, then reminder should be 2. So if you use that operator, it will gives you reminder. Then if you use assignment operator is used to assign the value into the variable. Suppose you have write x equal to 5, means you are assigning 5 into the x. X is a variable, 5 is a value, and you are assigning 5 by the equal operator. Means x equal to 5 is just like you are assigning 5 into a x variable. After that we have a two logical operator and or. AND operator is used for multiple conditions. Suppose like we have two conditions and both conditions should have true. Means if suppose we have we can take an example like Ram is greater than Sham. It should be true, and Ram is also greater than Ramu, then it should be true. So if we want both condition true, then we will use AND operator. Or if we want any one of true like Ram may have like greater than Sham or Ram may have greater than Ramu, then we can use OR operator. Means for the OR operator, only one condition is necessary. Means in the OR operator, if we have four condition and one condition is true, then the whole condition is true. But in the AND operator, all four conditions should be true. Then the whole statement will be true. Equal, not equal, less than equal to, and greater than equal to. These are the comparator operator. Means these operator is used to compare the value. So if I am using x equal y, then I am checking x is equal to y or not. If x is equal to y, then the x equal to y gives us true. If not, then x equal y gives us false. So like that we will choose not equal to, means like we will write x not equal to y. If x is not equal to y, then the statement gives us true, otherwise statement gives us false. Like we check less than, x is less than y, x is greater than y. Like we check x is less than equal to y or x is greater than equal to y. These operators are used to compare the values. So these are some operators. We have more operators, but first we discuss about these basic operators which we use in programming language. After that we will discuss conditional statements. Let's discuss. First we have mostly three: if, else if, and else. These are the conditional statement in which we are going to use. Like we have first to discuss about the example. So example of this if statement. So suppose we have taken two variable, one is x and second is y, and we have assigned the value by the equal operator. I am assigning 50 by the equal operator into the x. X is equal to 5, means I am assigning 50 into the x. Likewise, I am assigning 100 into y. After that, I am checking in the if condition x is less than y. Means if this condition will true, then this in the bracket of these are the brackets of if statement will run. Otherwise, it will not run. X is less than y, it's true or not. X is 50, y is 100, means this statement is true. Means print statement will run. and print will print x is smaller than y. It will print. Then it will check another if condition, y is less than x, y is 100, x is 50. Then if this condition is not true, it will gives you false, means this print will not run. After that it will check y equal x. This is checking equal operator. We have discussed already, I think. Let's see. These are the equal operator. Equal is a equal operator. It will check about equality. So y equal x. No. Y is 100, x is 50. These are not equal. So this will also not run. So let's discuss about the if else statement. We have taken x equal to 50 and y equal to 100. And in the if statement, we are checking x is less than y and x is 50 and y is 100. Then this statement is true. Then this statement will run. Printf will run. And if the if statement is true, then else will not run. Means there is only one possibility. If will run, then else will not run. If else will run, then if this the mean is that if condition is not true. Suppose I have written x greater than y, then this statement will be false and else will be run. Then it will print y is smaller than x. But in our scenario, x is less than y, then it will print x is smaller than y. And the else statement will not run because if condition is true. If the if condition is false, then else will automatically run and it will print that value. So let's discuss example of if, else if and else statement. Here we have taken two integers x is equal to 50 and y equal to 100. And first I am checking x is less than y. If the if condition will true, then it will print x is smaller than y. Then after that it will check else if. If the if condition is true, then it will not check if else if and else. And if the if condition is false, then it will go to the else if condition. Only and only when the if condition will false, like a previous example. This if condition will be false, then it will go else condition, otherwise it will not go for the else condition. Like that here also, if the if condition is false, then it will check else if. And if else if condition is also false, then it will directly run else statement, and else statement will directly print this. Like that if this condition is false, then it will directly go to the else condition and it will print this. Here first it will check if condition, then after that if a condition is false, then it will check else if condition, and if this is also false, then it will go to else and it will print this. It's just like if this, otherwise is this. It's just like a simple statement. If x is less than y, then it will print x is smaller than y. Then if is this, then it should be not this. Simple. Then it also check y is less than y, then y is smaller than x. If these conditions are not true, means not x is not smaller than y and y is not smaller than x, means these are equal values, then it will print y is equal to x. That's all. It's just a practical like a if, else condition, which is checking the comparator operator. These are the comparison operator, which is x is greater than y, y is greater than x, x is greater than y. You can use x is greater than equal to y. You can use any operator as you want according to your need. I am using less than because I am checking which is smaller and which is greater than. And if these both conditions are true, means y is equal to x. So I have put in this else condition, means if these both conditions are false, then it will automatically run and it will print y is equal to x. Thank you.